Day 2 of 84. Full protocol, thoracic and lower cross focus. This is foundation phase, week 1, and today runs about 25 minutes. Let's go through it. Inhibit, 6 minutes, 3 moves. Thoracic spine foam roll, 2 by 45s. Lie on a foam roller positioned across the mid-back. Cross arms over chest. Slowly roll from mid-back to upper back. Pause on stiff segments. Upper trap ball release, 2 by 45s per side. Pin ball between trap and wall. Focus on areas that feel different from yesterday. Pec Minor Ball Release, 2 by 45s per side. Same setup as day 1. Try to relax more deeply into the ball today. Lengthen, 6 minutes, 3 moves. Hip Flexor Stretch, 2 by 30s per side. Half kneeling lunge. Tuck tailbone under, posterior pelvic tilt, and shift forward. You should feel the stretch in the front of the rear hip. Levator Scapulae Stretch, 2 by 30s per side. Turn head 45 degrees and look down toward the armpit. Gently assist with your hand. Stretch runs from behind the ear to the shoulder blade. Doorway chest stretch, 2 by 30s. Same as day 1. Focus on keeping ribs from flaring. Activate, 8 minutes, 3 moves. PA activation, 2 by 10. Lie on your back, knees bent. Draw belly button towards spine without holding breath. Hold 10s per rep. Maintain normal breathing throughout. Bird dog, 2 by 8 per side. From all fours, extend opposite arm and leg. Keep hips level. Imagine a cup of water on your lower back. Hold 5s each rep. Bridge, 2 by 12. Lie on your back, feet flat. Squeeze glutes and lift hips until body forms a straight line from knees to shoulders. Hold 3s at top. Integrate, 5 minutes. 2 moves. Cat-cow, 2 by 8 reps. Focus on initiating movement from the pelvis today. Open book stretch, 2 by 6 per side. Lie on your side, knees stacked and bent 90 degrees. Rotate the top arm open like a book, following it with your eyes. Let gravity do the work. Posture checkpoint. Set an hourly alarm today. Each time it goes off, notice if you are slouching. Simply sit tall, exhale, and let your shoulders settle. No force, just awareness. That's day 2 done, 82 to go. Subscribe to follow the rest of the program. And if you'd rather have it timed and counted for you, Posture 12 is free at posture12.com/get.